Hello guys, hello, how you doing guys? I know there's some people already waiting in the lobby, but what I can say so far. Okay, hold on a second. Anyone there? Please task message me through YouTube chat so we can know everything working good or not. Hello. Oh, this is video capture. Let's wait a couple seconds and then I will start if it works. So could you guys please just text anything if you can. What is up everyone? What is up? Hello guys, hello. Yes, Skeptic, you there? I can see. Can you hear me? Can you hear me well? I don't know what the heck is going on. It's like a chat box, you know? It's like chat box supposed to everyone can see. Okay, it's working. Great. So, nice guys. Any question? Yo guys, he's still not online. Maybe we need to wait. He don't have like us have a stable home, stable Wi-Fi. He said he will come, and he knows this is gonna be 2 hours, so he might trying. I don't know. He might come later. All right. So guys, what I believe is I should not just wait him, you know. I have my own plan, daily plan, workout challenge, stuff like that. I have a work to do later. I have to do a lot of things, contact other people, and finish up a lot of stuff. So, Jerry, could you just, should we share this since he's not here? As long as he got here, please guys, just share the video. But now, it's up to you. since he's not here yet. So, Ring, welcome, brothers. Ring and Mini brothers here. So cool, so cool. Yeah, I know everyone's waiting. Not everyone. I mean, a lot of us, a lot of people is waiting. Our hero, fearless fighter, Uyghur fighter from homeless Uyghur fighter from in China, but he's supposed to come today, and we all know he's a homeless guy, right? He need a stable Wi-Fi. He need to find it somewhere, and he need to figure out what he eat. The last time he left from the Discord was, he need to find some lunch. He said he need to get some lunch, so, and then he left, that's all happened so far. I wish we can talk to him and chat with him today in this channel. I believe he will come. We have 2 hours, so if you guys interested, if you guys really curious about him, so just stay tuned. I'm not guaranteed he will be here, but he said yes, he will. So, no one know what's gonna happen. If he come, he definitely gonna come and say hi, and then we all can start our question. And before that, you can close my if you want to watch my workout challenge, you can watch. If you don't want, you can do other stuff. As long as you can check every couple hours, a couple minutes occasionally. He might come, okay guys, he will come, he said, but I'm not him, and I'm not in China. I'm not a homeless person, so I don't know how hard for him to come and join us. He said he will. You have to understand his situation. He's a homeless and he need a Wi-Fi, and if he don't come today, we will keep following him until he come, guys. I wish he don't have any danger, or since every time I can contact with him, I feel like, whoa, what's going on? What's going on? Is he got trouble? Is he got arrested? Is he like blah, blah, blah? So many negative thoughts in my mind, but negative thoughts never can help us to do anything, guys. So let's wait, yeah. Yes, as long as, so you guys can stay tuned on Discord as well. As long as he appear, we can just announce and make another share to the people outside of our YouTube. Okay, guys. So let me start my workout, guys, and I can't just. And today is 100. Today, if you check Union City temperature, it's gonna be 100 Fahrenheit. My wife said, "Oh no, don't work out today. It's gonna be burned. It's like you're gonna get dehydrated." I was like, I already step out. I already started my challenge. I'm not gonna be get any excuse because of the weather, because of someone, because of yesterday I didn't camp because of the Miradil was online, so I was just chatting with him, with Arslan, another our justice fighter. We 3 of us was chatting around 1 hour, so I didn't able to come work out at the time, like at this time yesterday. So today I don't want to miss out. This challenge is nothing for joke for me, and I know we should talk, we should wait our hero, but we can do while we're waiting, right? So there's no excuse, guys, no excuse. Since today is so hot, I tried outside with a sweater. It's gonna be too hot, so I just wear this, and I'll just do some basic ab training and a little movement. That's all. While we're waiting, I'll pray God. Let's do the finger cross. Let's cross our finger to wait and pray for him. He'll be fine and he will come and join us. All right, guys, and I will see you outside, guys. Hello guys, is my voice alright? Wow, it is super hot, guys. I already feels that heat. Woohoo! But it's good too. But it is good too. In the same time, it's like you can burn yourself. Hey guys, I'm outside right now, and I set up the music here. My microphone is here, camera is here. So is everything's okay? My voice, everything's fine. Just let me know. Please, guys, let me know. Wow, guys, 100 Celsius. I may not gonna do like 2 hours today. It's already stopped burning. No, I think I'm gonna get burned. Hey guys.
Purchase your tracks today.
Wow. Hey guys. Oh, Mini, these days I'm too busy since we have to rescue and help that guy, you know. So I have no time to play game now. Hope you understand, but as long as I have time, I will let you know and we'll play together, bro. And another thing is, we are waiting him, guys. Okay. I'm keep checking the Discord, our chat, since he left. See, yesterday 9 years. Here's a Discord chat from yesterday, me and Jerry, 3 of us. and he said he will come. He will come like before, just like what he did before at the beginning. How he joined our channel as a Uyghur astronaut. He said he will come. Maybe he have difficulty. Let's wait. Maybe have 2 hours. So, but outside is super hot, guys. The reason I changed my clothes because of like I'm already feel the heat. I will check the temperature for today for you. See, today is Sunday, right? Today is 101 Celsius, Fahrenheit. It means 38 Celsius, 38 Celsius now, outside. It's like a desert, it's like it'll make you dizzy, like. But I will try. I'm not gonna, see, it said excessive heat warning. Excessive heat warning. But I have no choice. I have to do it. I have to work out. I mean, I already started this challenge. Maybe today, if 2 hours is gonna be too hard, I will do shorter. But at least I will do some ab workout and warm up, sweat a little bit, just for health purpose, guys. I need to refresh my mind and work up, pump up for my afternoon works. Does that make sense, guys? Mini, do you remember? Uyghur astronaut just like you and came to my stream as well while I'm working out here. I met him here, to be honest. Alright, guys. Skeptic is our partner, my partner on this UyghurMan Justice Believer things, and his name is Jerry in YouTube. He's Skeptic. He will chat with you guys. He will be moderator for this chat box, and he also has a Discord. He can keep checking the guy, our hero is here or not. Okay, as long as he's here, he might let me know. I will keep checking the chat box, guys. Wow, this weather is. Should I work out here? Like, nah, I have no chance. Yo, I really wish that guy will appear, guys, because I already put the thumbnail, everything, Q&A. He said yes, but if he can't, I understand. I never blame on him because he's a homeless guy in China, and every Chinese cops want to arrest him, finish him up. But he believes if you become fearless, nothing can stop you. So he might can escape, he might can survive, but let's see. I mean, I know everyone really caring about his life situation, his safety, me as well. So I try to keep contact with him as much as I can. You know what I'm saying, guys? That's why I keep updating his live situation. As long as he's online, I'm just chatting him, talk to him, call him like that. So he said he will be here today as usual in my workout challenge part. But I wish, you know what I'm saying? I can't guarantee. But I believe he can. Let's see, guys. I'm always think everything like a optimistic way, you know, not negative way. If you scare something not happen, might not happen. So I should just sit on my couch and, you know, watch my TV, because maybe this happened, maybe that happened. No, I think everything good way. I believe he will come. So I just, yeah, maybe sometimes wrong, doesn't matter, but I'm working on, and he will come eventually. Yeah, my left foot is way better. Now I can move higher. Still a little bit, but way better. I'm already sweating as hell, guys. Mekan olacak gene ayıp koyayım ben. Beni ayırmadan hayat diye. Koyayım ben. Beni ayırmadan hayat diye. Belki boşallık kaygı yutup yemekken du kapıda. Belki nefsi takıldığa şapıda. Salmagan günah üzerinde takdir üstüne pakkıda. Yeah, that's what I'm comparing for. Chushi, if you check my like February, March video this year, there's a Chinese guy. He's a journalist. He went inside of Wuhan when Wuhan got sealed. He went inside, like against Chinese Communist Party, reported with the real case number, the real things going on inside of Wuhan. Then Chinese Communists catch him easily. That time I was thinking, wow, great. There's some hero coming out from Chinese Han people. That's great, yes. That might be the spark for the people who get power, rebellion. But no, this guy, Miradil Hasan, is Uyghur. I feel more proud. I feel like, wow, that's great, and that's what we're waiting for. We're looking for, we're waiting for someone, some hero, Uyghur hero, just like him. In the same time, I start worried about his case because he is not journalist. He is the guy, regular guy, just tried himself, develop himself and go to mainland for better job, safer job. Eventually, because of his identity, he lost all the chance. No one hired him because he's Uyghur. Because he's Uyghur. Like me, that faced many times. Unless you was a communist member or like stay close with a communist army, like a communist party, for good job, better job, never have your chance. The same thing happened to him. He is from the poor family, from south of the Uyghuristan, and he went to the mainland. But everyone check his ID and don't hire him because of he's Uyghur. He's Uyghur like me. Then he become homeless. And then the cops from his homeland keep calling him because he registered Instagram account. That time the concentration camp stuff just started, so of course any Uyghurs worried, so he didn't go back. He stayed in mainland China, but he has to hide his identity he has to throw out his phone card, phone number, start living homeless life. Homeless life. Since 2018 September 1st, I still remember clearly. He become homeless. He said, he's most of the time, like when you and me laying down in our mattress, our bed, sleeping nicely with air conditioner, nice temperature. He is sleeping in some public restaurant, sitting and sleep, just like you sleeping in the car or sleep in the train, right? You sit and sleep like that, you know. That's after 2 years. That's how he looks now, with a beard. He said he don't have money to shave beard, and his hairs grow up. Look at his face. It's like since he's so tired and he don't have a nice healthy routine, that's how he look. So tired and so sad, you know. Wow, I'm not tired at all, but I'm sweating as hell. Look at this water. Woo! 101 Fahrenheit, 38 Celsius right now. I wish he's here.
You know what I'm saying? Check this out.
Thank you, Gülüm Aksa, thank you. Yes, we as a justice believer group, we believe justice. Not just, this is like nothing about only Uyghurs. We fight for justice. If anything wrong, we should speak up. That's what I said. And as a Uyghur, of course, there's a lot of things wrong Chinese communists doing to us. So I should be the one talk more than others because if I'm a Uyghur, I face much more than the other guys so far. I wish they never face such injustice and unfair life like me, but it is what it is. That's why we are here. We have the same goal. That's why that guy joined us too. What I believe is he might try to understand the Uyghur society outside in China, and my goal and my group is kind of clear enough and simple enough. You know, we're not a big organization. We're just a regular people. Some of them students, some of them, you know, the youngest people in this group is 13 years old. Our little brother. We educate each other. We inspire each other. We talk, we play game each other, but we believe justice. We fight for justice. That's why Miradil Hasan probably liked to stay here. He was keep talking. Before he show his profile, I kind of don't trust him, so I didn't focus that much with him. But every time his word is always so nice, inspire me or give me, motivate me to do better things, to be united with other Uyghurs. He always have a good blast. And then he just posted his videos. Then I was like, oh, you're a real person. I can't believe. And then the rest, you guys know what happened. All right, I will start my app workout. Yeah, the mind messed up. There's a lot of people. I understand, under this Chinese, this type of ethnic cleansing, discrimination, the majority, not strong people, their mind definitely gonna messed up. Your psychology, your mind, definitely. That's why I keep myself strong, like get up early, work out, and then met more friends, talk. Otherwise, it's normal to get messed up. That's why how they behave when this guy came out. Because they cannot do it, they believe no one should be do it too. That's a sick mind. 40, you guys, 40. Wow, this heat. Yo guys, did you guys see? Since you guys motivating me that much, this time I just finished all 40 in one time. Since yeah, Gülü Maksud. Just be yourself. If you believe your heart is nice enough to speak up, just do it. You don't need to worry. That's a part of be fearless as well. Don't worry about other people's opinion. Why you have to be worried about other people's opinion? Zia never give you positive energy. Those people, a lot of yes, but those people who try to pull you out, who try to kick you out, who try to push you out, those type of people, you have to stay strong and be fearless. You came here not for them to judge you. We have our God to judge us, right? And the judgment is only belong to Allah, right? We don't have ability, we don't have a duty, that's not our job. So if they come to you and judge you shit like that, best way is just ignore. As long as we're not gonna go judge people, we don't hit people, we don't beat people, we don't kick people. So you can just be quiet with them, just don't worry, ignore them. Yes, I know. Wow, this is extreme hot, guys. I might just do another today if I can. I'll try as work out as long as possible. But it seems like hard today. I believe this guy gonna come. He's great talk, great talk. Dean, the Dean. You need $6 more? Yo, Mini, I will give you another skin. I can give you a fever dream. On your birthday, September 11th, that day I will give you my fever dream. Doesn't matter, bro. Don't worry that much about the knives, the skin stuff. Yo, thanks for you guys stay tuned and help me to motivating me to work hard. See that 40 set, I used to stop and do two times, but now I just I did it. Now I'll do lower foot lift, leg lift leg. But I want to make sure my whole leg is straight enough. I don't want to bend my leg, okay guys? So you guys can see from this angle. you'd better can be like that, but sometimes it's hard for keep balance, and it's harder to be honest. When you get more power on your app, you can be like this, but now I will do like this, okay guys? A little close. Whew. Okay, I can do like this at least. Woo! 30. I don't feel like I'm tired, but just too hot, guys. I shouldn't keep saying the same word again and again. I just want to stay in shade a little bit. Woo! Yo, why not, Mini? Since I like you, and you are one of our members, family members, why not? So, doesn't matter, guys. Well, that guy doesn't show up still. He's not. If he not able to come, guys, if he not able to come, I saw Jerry Skeptic also just left. We hope you can join us soon in the YouTube stream. He just said to Muradil, but he's not online. It means he will join us as long as he came in. If he don't come, please don't don't think like it's my mistake, okay guys? I try to set this up, but if he has difficulty in his side, it's not my fault, guys. Just want to explain one thing. Guys, I feel this is so hot. I will do a little bit, maybe extra 20 minutes or things. I need to go inside. Already I'm getting wet and itchy. My back on my neck side is still burning under the sun, so it's so itchy. It's like burning. Okay, I will do plank. 70-second plank. Okay, guys. Allah. 15 seconds left. 25 seconds actually. Oof. 10 seconds left. Right. Woo, guys. I choose the wrong color of my compression pad. It's absorb a lot of heat. This is dark color. I wish I would wear the white one next. Wow, I can't stay on the sun as much. Woo. Let's see what's going on in chat. Thank you, free Uyghur. Everyone. Yes, it is sad. Okay. You know, everything. After I started this workout challenge, I feel a lot of benefit, to be honest, guys. Like my sleeping getting better, my mood getting better. I get more energetic. I get like more powerful. Feel like, you know, it's so good. That's why we have to. That's why even it's super hot, I still want to do something. I kind of really enjoying this challenge. And because of you guys, if you guys keep motivating me, I will never let you guys disappoint on me. I promise. Because we're justice believer. I'm really wanna that guy be here. That's why I'm always these days, all my days, just looking for the Discord. Is he online or not? No matter what, I know there's like really little portion that these guys might like it, like someone hesitate, someone believe, oh, this guy might fake or blah blah. No matter what, I will appreciate this Miradil. He teach me what is be fearless, you know. Be fearless. Don't fear the fucking nuts happen. Don't fear the things not even happen, and just worry. Worry that, worry this, so that you can't even give a proper speech. You can't even express yourself because you worry, you're scary. So, but this guy taught me be fearless. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like him. Wow, see guys, I can
easily touch the ground with my feet not even bent. It's only 14 days result. The first day I remember like I can't even touch the ground. So it's help, you know. But it's sweating too much. Yeah, my feet is better too. I can jump at least now. Yep. My feet was really pain. Got injured a couple days ago now. Recovered, alhamdulillah. Whew. Oh. Wow, guys, it's super burned. One more set and I will done, okay? Just one more set. One more ab, look higher ab, lower ab, one more plank. I'm done, guys. This weather gonna make me pass out soon. I don't want to take that risk. Whew. I don't want to make stupid mistake like even this burning, like I'll work out outside and get passed out, like nah. As long as I do something, I sweat a little bit every day, I feel like some improvement every day, that's enough for me. I'm not bodybuilder. I wish I can be, but I just not that great enough. That's my goal. If I can do it, I have enough time, I have enough energy, I'm strong enough, I will do it. But step by step, let's do it. Ooh, 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew. Allah. Whew. Yo, Mini, I know you really want that knife, bro. You really want that knife. If you want, just go my inventory, get anything you want, bro. I don't care. I'm a 30 years old boy. Oh man, you are 13 years old. You enjoy the CSGO more than me. So, if you really enjoy those guns or skin, take all you want, bro. You're my brother already. We are like that generous with that welcoming people. So that's who we are. If you my family, my friend, we will give you everything you want. I mean, we just share. If you really enjoy those skin from the game, get my AK, get my everything. I mean, I don't have that much of worth money stuff. Probably just AK and up probably, but the rest, whatever you want, you can get all. For me, the game is just for fun. I don't care the skin and stuff. You know. Okay, 30 more. Ya Allah. Medet ver Allah. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woohoo! Oh. Too hot, guys. I'm already feel a little dizzy. My stomach not feel good, but I'll do my last plank. I'll do my last 70-second plank, and I'm done with today's, man. I can't do. Today is like it's warning. It's a warning from the excessive heat warning. San Francisco Bay Area National Weather Service. Excessive heat warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. PDT Monday. To overnight, low temperature. Tomorrow also. Then it's still cold down. Wow. Damn. What's going on, guys? But it's normal. I don't know all my Mini, I don't know all my skin is worth $20 or not. You can check it up. Check my inventory. Ya Allah. The last 70 seconds, guys. When you get tired on this, you should just calm down, forget what you're doing, transfer your mind, distract yourself to something else, and time go fast. Because on this exercise, you count everything on seconds. You just need to think something else for a couple seconds, and you can hold it. I still have a 30 seconds left. Oh. Woo. 20 seconds. Oh. 5. Yeah. Whew, guys. I'm done. I'm done. Today, not that much, but I'll see you guys inside. Ooh, look at my glasses. I can't wear because of this part is black color and too hot. Wow.
Sir, could you get my water, please? Whew, guys. Sporky Lucky. Sporky Lucky, how you doing? Welcome. Yo, guys. I was really trying to do 2 hours today. It's almost impossible. I mean, outside, whew, I've already feel dizzy. I don't want to get like dehydrated and cause more problem because of my stupidity, you know. I don't think it's good idea. I work more than an hour and it's like, yeah, it's okay. Background music here. Heat warning. Hi, Sporky. Welcome. Yo. You guys, look at you can see my shoulder, how sweaty I am, right? Just for a little time, look at that. I'm proud of it. I feel good after I see it. No, I don't need it. It's natural, cool down, it's good. My wife is so sweet, she just bring out fan, everything for me, but I know I don't need this. I like this, I enjoy sweating. But after this, I will just go take a shower, that's it. Guys, let's wait our hero together for 1 more hours till 1 p.m. here. Then I don't take you guys that much of time because he said he will. So probably he will, but maybe later time because he know my workout. Sometimes he come to my section like late, almost finish, the last minute like that. Mini. Yo, bro, I told you the CSGO, that's just my hobby. Just leave those cheaper skin and then get the expensive skin for yourself. It's fine. You're my brother. I told you. You can just keep it. Doesn't matter, bro. Yeah, it's for the 30 years old man. I mean, some game stuff. It's secondary or the latest stuff, you know. I used to play just because of I wanna adjust my mood and get some hobby. And our Rink is here too. Nice. Both brothers is here. Nice. Rink and Mini is brothers. They're from Isodomia. What it called? Macedonia. They're from the Macedonia. That's very tiny, beautiful country. Not tiny. It is not that tiny, but it's a very well-known, beautiful country. So yeah, he's middle school, but he's very nice and nice guy. Thanks, guys. And I really want that guy up here. Let me check the. I'm just worried sometimes about him since he not, as long as he disappear like more than 24 hours. Not so fast, not even 24 hours, like 12 hours now. So I wish he's fine. I'm not from Kazakhstan, I'm from Uyghurstan. West part of China, which was East Turkestan. It was called East Turkestan. We used to have our country, but very little time, and then the Chinese Communists and the Soviet Union just tear us apart and combine us with Chinese Communists. Guys, let me stay tuned with guys a little bit and let's check out. I know there's a lot of people has different question, different problem or questions you want to ask from in their mind. I wish I can answer their question. Let's see. Any question? Any question about Miradil? If I can, I will answer you guys. If you guys have any question about Miradil Hasan, that our recent fighter, fearless fighter. If you guys know him and if you guys have any question, since I'm the first person know him so far, I wish I'm able to answer your question. So, what is a question? Let me know. You guys can just leave a message here. Oh, it's a food. This is a very good question. He said sometimes he eat twice a day, 2 meals a day. Like we really at least eat 3 meals a day, right? He said he mainly like 2 meals, like sometimes eat, but sometimes also 1 meals a day, guys, because he's homeless. He don't have money. It's just such some Muslim Hui people has their restaurant everywhere in China. Hui people is Muslim and they know give away, right? That's our culture. I'm not saying our Muslim is good or that is bad. Like it's our culture. It is what it is. We have a culture like we have to give our one of 17th of our wills what we have. So if I have something, I will willing to share with other people. So that guy, Miradil Hasan, surviving because of some part of some people like that, as kindly helping him and give him free meal at least a day, once a day. So sometimes he able to eat two times a day, but sometimes he said he eat once a day. At least he's surviving. You can see how skinny and how tired he looking, and you can see how hard he's trying to make. If you look at his couple video, like the first couple video, he made like in more than 2 weeks or 3 weeks. He said he used his phone. He used his phone to edit that video. You know, the video editing on computer is even like painful, right? But he edit the video, put those subtitles on phone every day when he finds some Wi-Fi or like when he have a time, he just do it. And when he find a Wi-Fi, he post it. That's what he's doing. That's why I call him a real hero, the fearless hero. About the being fearless, he said, I'm already skipped out of my body. I don't care about this meat anymore. This is just a piece of meat, but my soul, my energy is most important. So he want to be fearless. He don't want to worry, nervous. Someone catch him, someone like arrest him, someone take his organ. Because if he think like that way, he had to think every single second, right? Because that danger, that threat, that thought is gonna take over his own mind every second. So he said, I need to be fearless. Be fearless is very important. Blah blah blah. That's what he told me. I know in the same time Chinese is one of the most developed country and at whatever point, even though they make fake stuff all the time, but they still steal a lot of money from the world and the richest people. They have richest, they have most money compared to a lot of country. So they hire a lot of cops. They have every single city, the cop density of each city in China, I think it's the top. Because China is a police state. police country. So in the same time, it means it's Miradil Hasan has a real danger, under real danger. So what if you and me? What are you gonna do? Tell me, if you and me, what are you gonna do if someone come and try and don't even worry his life, don't even worry about his body, his health, and try to step out of the fear zone and speaking out against Chinese Communist Party, and he joined me. He believe I am a justice believer, so I will be his voice to spread his fairness, spread his justice to the world. Of course I have to do it, right? I will ask you, if you and me, what you gonna do, right? I choose I have to do it because my God taught me how to be a person, how to be make a decision. If you make some, my parents taught me how to be a man, how to be a boy, how to be a father in the future. Now I am in that age. I need to be like what my parents taught me, or what my God taught me. So on this guy I have to raise my hand, support him till the last second, guys. Yes, Spooky Lucky. Are you Uyghur, or you really good at you really know about Uyghurs? First, a lot of people come my group. They don't even know what is Uyghur, but eventually they know everything about the Communist Party. But you as one already know. So are you Uyghur, or are you just also a justice believer like us? Yes, CCP's time is almost over, guys. Trust me, and we have to believe what we have to believe. We have to believe what we should believe, and what we should believe is be optimistic. Be like what I said under here. I said like under the law when I outside. I said your limitation is only your imagination, right? If I want to get my country back from those evil, my limitation is only my imagination. So I have to imagine Chinese Communist Party gonna fall, like Soviet Union, like any other evil regime in the world, in the past, in the future. All evil regime gonna fall apart, and the justice will come out eventually. That's why I believe justice. I am a justice believer like every one of you here. Oh, nice, Uyghur from Germany. Welcome, man, welcome. Please stay tuning our channel, and if you want, you can join our Discord community, which is 24/7 group. We have a lot of service. Sometimes we watch movie together. That's what our plan is. Sometimes we will put some other stuff, like we have a lot of little gaming it. We debate. Everything is going on basically in our community, Discord community, which you can join. And the Discord link should be on the description in this video. So please, if you can, you just join and stay tuned with us. I wish Miradil Hasan can join in last how many minutes left? Another hour. But oh, okay. Oh, it's not. Yes, Mini, I told you, yes, you can just go inventory, get any skin you want, and the trade. I will just accept, okay? Don't worry, Mini, I told you my word is bullet. Cannot take it back. I said one word, it is gonna be one word. I don't regret or anything, just go take it, bro. That's exactly what we're talking about here too, Shocky. That's Spocky. We always believe that is gonna be that land belong to the owner of the land. Like east part of Turkestan belong to the Uyghurs.
like south part of the Uyghuristan is belong to Tibet, right? So a Jewish married are getting crushed. Yes, that's I believe too. So guys, any question? Oh, you came home? Oh, you just got home? Nice. Khudaya Ashik. Sadly, the guy Miradil Hasan is still not online. Probably he has some trouble. I don't know. He may looking for food to eat. He may looking for Wi-Fi, or I don't know, man. He may be fall asleep. I don't know. But all I want is his safety, and we wish so. We pray so. But he said he will come, so let's still wait till the 1 a.m. here. There's like 50 seconds left. Let's wait. If not, I will close the stream and I will wait on the Discord again. As long as he has a message, as long as he's online, I may just let you guys know. I know a lot of people asking him, want to talk to him, but he don't have that much of time and that much of condition or that much of situation can make that happen. So let's finger cross. Let's make our finger cross and let's wait. I don't know what gonna happen in the next second. Everyone also, so let's wait and let's see. Let's think the best way. I wish all Uyghurs safe. Yes. Thanks for you guys bless. I know a lot of you guys here, not even Uyghurs, but you guys always pray for us, stand next to us, stand side by side with us. I can't ask more than that. That's already inspiring me a lot to be fearless like Miradil Hasan, to fight with Chinese Communist Party. I know a lot of people already stand up. One Uyghurs get their land back one day, but as a Uyghur man, what I am doing, that's why I was thinking I'm not doing enough. That's why I'm step out from my fear zone and standing in camera and facing you guys, talk, whatever in my mind. So guys, be fearless is very important. We should not worry about what happened to the next second, or we should not worry about, oh, maybe is he gonna hurt. For me, the most thing make me hesitate that much or make me like not speak out for a long time is because of my parents still in China. My parents, not just my parents, all my relatives. Like I have my mother has 6 brother, sister. My father has 9 brothers, sister. If China wants, it can wipe them all off. Like what they did, they killed the whole village, right? They can kill all my relatives too. For them, kill 1 people is killed 3 million people is same thing. I don't want to too like excited, but that's why I'm always mentioning about the fearless. Be fearless. For me to stand up here, it needs a lot of encouragement. All of the encouragement, all the energy is from you guys. That's why I'm always say thank you to you guys. Appreciate what you did to Uyghurs. And please stay tuned and stand with the justice like what we are in this group, in our UyghurMan group. And I want grow our channel, grow our community to be able to give a bigger punch to China anytime. Now we have 20 people in our community or 30 people. When we give any speech, it's little hit to China. When we 100 people, it's gonna be bigger hit, bigger punch. When we have 1,000 or 10,000 or 1 million, the China cannot stand our statement. You know what I mean? If we can grow this channel to 1 million people, imagine. Anytime I speak as a Uyghur, it's gonna be statement on the title of the big news. Trust me, because we as a group, the grow just for the justice, for the Uyghurs' freedom. So this type of community grow as naturally, as organically
no one can defeat, no one can defend. So please stay tuned. Please share my channel, my YouTube video, or my any platform of UyghurMan. Let's grow. Let's make the people know about what we're doing, what we're speaking up, what we are hoping for. All we want is China. Stop organ harvesting. Stop raping our daughters. Stop take our women and brothers to the factory for forced labor. There's a lot of things. If you guys check the testimony from the Miradil Hasan, why I'm saying Miradil Hasan, he gave a testimony about a girl who taken to the labor camp. She said she told Miradil Hasan, like they work whole months. They work whole months with 1 day break. If you have every 30 days a month, you're only able to have 1 day break. And each time you work has to be 12 hours. So, they as a life, they as a person, as an individual, exactly being a slave for Chinese Communist Party right now. And how much they get paid, right? If they had to get some, if not slave, right? Why they get paid? Yes, they get paid, but how much they get paid? For 29 a month and 12 hours a day, and they only get paid $200, guys. $200, which like a 1,500 US Chinese dollar, Chinese yuan. That is nothing for in China. That is enough for me to like when I was in China, I go to nightclub or somewhere just 2 times, it's finished. Like same here. Or if you go out eat maybe 1 week. You can support yourself 1 week. And it works that hard. It's basically just slave. It is basically just slave. Because he used Chinese gonna be, we already know Chinese labor is the cheapest thing in the world, right? But Chinese communists don't want to afford the Chinese Han people now since we have a minority. Not minority, we're not minority at all. But in China, because of China have 1.4 billion people, so they count us as a minority. So they can kill, they can do whatever they want. And they paying lesser than Chinese Han people slave. Han people's labor, using us as slave. That's all I want. That's why I want to stop. Stop this shit. Stop. And Miradil is such a good evidence for us to know there is such a thing. There is true. He also gave a testimony about his parents. His mom get sterilized forced sterilized by Chinese Communist Party. That's why his mother went to the hospital a couple times. With being serious problem. You know, every single person, I can't imagine like my sister, my mother, my father, or my sister's 2 daughters, what gonna happen to them in the future if I keep silent, right? So I have to step out from my fear zone, keep punching the Chinese Communist Party. I have to tell you, even though here is 11 people listening, I'll just tell you what China is doing to us. Tomorrow maybe only 2 people. If you check our old video, like 10 days ago's videos, there's not even people. I'm speaking out too. In case someone gonna be there, or in case someone hearing later. I was speaking up all the time. That's why I keep saying, even though I have 11 people or 8 people or 20 people, I wish one day we have millions people stand next to us and fight the next with us, speak up for us. That's the time we can get our land back, guys. Please support me. Please share this video. Please give me a like button if you support this justice believer. See, because of our energy is such a pure, great energy, we attract those type of homeless fighter, freedom, fearless fighter to our community. I believe one day we can grow as much as imaginable we can. As much as we imagine. Thank you guys, thank you. Here's another guy called Black Cohen. Thank you. We need me and the skeptic here. He's sometimes he's here like skeptic. If you here, please say hi to everyone. Me and him basically started this Justice Believer group. We never do any commercial things. We don't do any business stuff. All we want is speak out for our people. That's why we started to make video. First, I just make video, try to share in different group, but eventually I started be fearless and take off my mask one by one. I have a lot of masks. Alia, could you grab all the masks I made before? Before I speak out like this, face to face in front of the camera, I will show you guys how I used to speak out. I used to make a lot of masks and cover my face and talk, but this one, yeah, that one. See, this is my mask, first mask, anonymous. Yeah, this is okay, this is already made, but here's the other mask, guys. This is what I mask. I painted on my hand. This is every single thing I painted. I draw. Since I cannot speak up for my people, I want to be like attract more people. I painted by myself. I have another one, I believe. There's a lot. Step by step, I took up my mask one by one. Yes, guys. Look at it. At the beginning, I don't even dare enough. Oh, you guys. Oh, there's one already has a hole on the mouse part, Jana.
I know, I'm looking for it.
Maybe. Okay, this one has a little bit. Yes. Okay. Never mind. I just want to show them. Thank you. Best, Jana. Yes, that's what I made. That's how I speak out before. Jana, this can make me sick. Don't. That's what it is, guys. That's how I speak out. Step by step. I try to speak more. I try to step out from my fear zone. Eventually, that guy called Miradil Hasan helped me, inspired me to be fearless, step out from my fear zone. Now I'm here. That's why nothing can stop me anymore. Nothing. I'm risking my parents, my sister, my cousins, everyone who love me. I'm risking their life to speak up. Of course, I'm not gonna be back. Even though they threat me, whatever threat me, threat my life, threat my whoever's life. I don't. That's how the Chinese Communist Party silent Uyghurs outside. Use their fear. Because everyone don't want other people get hurt because of them. Actually, they get hurt. If even though my parents get hurt, not gonna be because of me. Because of Chinese is the evil. I cannot stop. I want to stop Chinese communists from being evil. But if they want to do something, keep being evil, I cannot do it now. Even America, even UN, even India, Russia, Japan. No one can stop Chinese being evil. I'm not just trying. So I should not think I am the one or we are the one might cause my relatives problem in home. That's only for the coward. That thought is only for the coward. I don't want to be coward. If I am a coward, no one can save my friend. I can never able to raise my flag in our land. So guys, please keep support our channel. Without your support, without every single individual like you support, we never can raise our voice, slam the Chinese Communist face. Never. But if you share this video, if you give me like button, if you give me good comment all the time, inspiring me, motivate me, push me to go there to reach that level, I would really appreciate as a Uyghur man. And I wish we can do it. And I believe we can do it. Let's check any question here. Yes. Yes, Guli Maksud, also one of our female activists, hero, justice believer from Canada. She just said, yes, she too. She started from being a secret activist. Yes, I am too. I always share something like use a account, not even show my real name. I did that, but I'm tired for being just spread the news one by one without a real effect. If no one know who you was, they don't need to trust you too, right? So eventually, I step by step, I took off all my mask. Now I'm speaking out, being fearless, just like Miradil Hasan. And here's Khuday Ashik said he wish the communists gonna collapse and get independent, just like what happened to them. Yes, that's what I wish. That's what we believe. That's what we imagine every single day. Yes, Mini, I have. Yes, I have more than a week. Wow, guys, such a hot today. So now it's okay. It was super, almost like blackout, like pass out. You know, it's not blackout. Blackout. I used to blackout. That's why I'm saying pass out because of too hot, too like it's like soaking your energy, like the heat. You know. All right, guys. Any question? Any question? Black Horn said, freedom for Uyghurs, together we strong. Black Horn, are you Uyghurs or not, bro? Thanks for you inspiring us. Stay tuned with us. Thank you, guys. Let me check the guy. I wish he's here, but he's not. What's wrong with him? I'm just worried about him, you know. I'm not worried about he didn't keep his word or stuff like that. He said he will, like before, he will come. I'm just worried, like, is he alright? Is he okay? Yes, Mini, don't let me do it now, bro. I will do it after that. I'm doing stream right now. I told you I will give, just to be patient a little bit, okay? So guys, any question about Miradil Hasan? I'm here for you ask me anything. Thank you, Shoki. I will as long as everything alright, I will go one day Europe or other place like Turkey. I wish I can be there. Khuday Ashik, Kazakhstan or Turkmenistan or Azerbaijan, those also was a lot of Russian immigration before, but they have moral. They have they know what is wrong, what is right. When they independent, a lot of Russian move back to their country, even though after 100 years. I know there's a lot of Han Chinese people moved, immigrate to our place because of the Chinese Communist plans. They don't know, they got brainwashed, or they're just shitty like that. But they are illegal immigration. The Chinese Communists took our land. Is not even legal or anything. They forced our president to sign, and they murdered our president. So, and then took over the land. So anything from that day they did, they moved every single person to my land. They took every single gram of the oil, gram of the gold is illegal. So legal with illegal things, you can use the law to do it. And I believe Chinese immigration to my land there's a lot of them has a moral, and they will move back where they from. To where they from. That's not a big deal. So that's again, we should not worry too much about what gonna happen next, Yes, there's millions of the things waiting to us to solve, waiting to us to deal, but only thing we should believe, we believe the justice, right? We believe the justice. If you believe Uyghur need justice, Uyghur need support, Uyghur need to survive on this planet, with their country, on their land. So just support me, just support this channel. Don't think anything else. Don't hesitate anything else. Don't worry anything else from now on in the future. Let's do it. Let's do it first. Maybe the worst scenario is someone come and took my life. I'm willing to be here. Die like a hero. Lose my life like a hero. So what else you can do? Except took my life. No one can stop us from now on, okay guys? There's so many things to worry. The worst scenario is die. I'm ready for that because I'm doing the right thing. So compare the death. Nothing is problem, guys. Nothing is not dealable. As long as we have a strong soul, as long as we are united, nothing can be a problem, guys. We can do it, we can solve it. He isn't alone there. Millions of arrested to sand camps. I don't know what else, but scared for him to get arrested, and he's sleeping on the street. Yes, he's sleeping. He said the majority time he's sleeping in the KFC. Like in China, you know, all the Chinese restaurants. There's a lot of Chinese, but the KFC is from America. Is very popular in China too, and it's very popular. And they allowed like 24 hours. Some of them is 24 hours. So he probably goes there, sit. He told me most of the time sleeping KFC and sit and sleep. Like you know, there's a table and you sit and sleep and take a little nap and wake up, little nap. Probably like that. That's what I believe. And let me tell you guys, it's the best opportunity to us to grow and to us to realize what is being fearless. This is very good example for being a hero. I never met anyone can be more brave than this guy. I never met anyone in my life. I read a lot of hero in my past. I read a lot of people from the history, but in the real life, I never met that type of hero. This guy is. This guy should be writing down the history for the future. And now you and me is the first person to know this guy directly. So we should get inspired from this guy. We should get his energy. Fearless, being fearless. No matter what happened to him next. No matter what happened to him next day. We should always remember being fearless. Being a hero just like him. Don't worry about what happened to the next second. Just do the right things. Just like him. soon, yes, the Chinese regime is just like a paper. It's like a Chinese regime is a paper tiger. Now it's like a Indian, China, Russia, Japan all get mad. What's the end? You can imagine if you read a little bit history. If you can imagine consequence, you will imagine. You can able to imagine what's gonna happen next. Chinese Communist Party definitely gonna fall, and we Uyghurs, we justice believer should able to stand up and speak up. Be united, be fearless. From now on, from this second, I will never ever worry anything about what happened to the next second. What if this happened? What is that happen? I have nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose. Okay, guys? Yes, I have a family here. I have a wife here. I have a daughter here. But I believe everything is from God, from Allah. So, no one can do anything unless Allah's wish, unless God's will. So, we should not worry or scare some people who follow the evil. We should stay strong, stay united. That's why if you guys keep following me, when I have enough, the more people, the more followers I have, the more safety I feel. Just like Miradil Hasan. Miradil Hasan, why he said his first wish is, please spread this, please let the world know where I am, please share my testimony. Why? Because if the international media focus on him, concentrate on him, so Chinese Communist Party cannot easily just cut his neck, right? Cannot easily just open his stomach and took his liver, like what they did to millions of Uyghurs, right? So if you guys keep following me, if you guys just share my awareness here, I feel more safe. I won't be undefeatable, fearless, more and more fearless. This is good for us. That's the best way to do. So please, guys. So far it's good. So far it's growing good, and a lot of more and more people is coming. I'm really appreciate what's going on, and but I'm in the same time I know I worry a little about my. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, I'm worried about the guy, but what you can do is worry. If you worry and can solve the problem, then tell me. If you cannot solve the problem, just don't send me any worry. If you have a lot of people since these guys come out, oh worry, oh don't talk to him, oh like is this gonna be cause that gonna be cause that, oh someone nicely, kindly tell me, oh don't do that because you might can cause like attract more cops, like Chinese force to arrest him. Oh, we should do that. We should let him escape from the blah blah. Yes, we should, but who's doing that? When I speaking up, everyone was saying the first day, everyone trying to wipe him off, try to silence me off. I got a lot of call, even some threat call is saying, yo, you should stop this. That guy is not real. That guy is a blah blah blah. Worriness, scared, like that's not the way to deal with or solve the problem, guys. If you believe something is true, follow your heart. And do it. Just do it. Do it with your action. If you want to help, if you really worry him, help him. Do it. Not tell me to do it. I'm trying my best to do it. I'm spending my time and my finance, whatever I can, I'm doing it. Yes, I have. Yes, there's a lot of better way I can do it. Can save him. But I am doing my best. I am using my maximum of my time to help him. if you really want to help, if you really worry his life situation, please let's help him together. Please just share this. Please share his video. Please let the world know he is a real hero. Let's see about and any question, guys. Anything you guys want to ask about his life situation or anything about his current situation? Did you ask me any question? So yeah, can I ask had bad words in the type whatever you want, Mini. I know when you're pissed off about what they're doing to us, a lot of people get mad sometimes. I speak F word too, but I'm trying to not from now on because I have a 5 months years old daughter, and I don't want she grow up hears that type of swearing all the time. So I will never ever from now on. I will try to never ever don't swear, don't say bad words, but you guys can hear just say F China, F. If you want to say F word, just say F. Guys, thanks for you guys stay tuned. I'm really appreciate there's 11 people now, I believe. Yes, that's what she means. Or he means, the dean. So there's a lot of people. So see, this is our power. This is the power from the universal energy. If you have a pure heart, if you have a real energy, you're gonna grow fast. You're gonna like this. We only 14 days since zero people, now 11 people watching what we talk about with justice. I believe this gonna be keep growing till China eventually not exist from this world. Not China, I mean Chinese Communist Party. Of course, I want the Chinese people have a better life from under the Chinese Communist Party. That's why I'm speaking out. I studied in mainland China for 5 years. I have a lot of friends. I studied in Chinese school from 6 years old. I have a lot of Chinese friends. Chinese, they're nice. I'm not saying all Chinese is shitty bullshit. They have some culture, but Chinese Communist Party using that negative part of their culture, brainwash their mind, and eventually leads the Chinese people becomes a person who work for the evil. You should not work for the evil. You should stand up too. That's why I wish Chinese people, Uyghur, Mongol, Tibet, every one of us have a better future from now on. And I believe that day will come. The day Chinese Communist Party not exists anymore. Chinese Communist Party is just the evil gangster, mafia, illegal regime. They are the current biggest terrorist organization. Trust me. Trust me, guys. One day, very soon, Chinese, you will see on some news title or somewhere, Chinese Communist Party titled as terrorist organization or illegal organization very soon. That's what I believe. 3 years since 2018 September. 2018 September, now almost, yes, 2 years. 2 years, right? Now, but it's stepping to the 3rd years, being homeless. Because if you are Uyghur, you cannot stay in mainland China with your ID. The Chinese put their titles, they announce on the wall, on the outside, and anywhere outside, said, do not allow the Uyghurs, Tibet, be your resident. Do not rent your house, rent your apartment to Uyghurs, to Tibet. That's so obvious. That's not my word. That's not my conspiracy theory. It is a lot. It comes with evidence, and every one of us who escaped from China, we witnessed that. We know that. Okay. That's why, since he's Uyghur, he cannot find a job. Second, and cops from his homeland is searching for him because he used he registered Instagram account. You know, China is don't allow you use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Google. The main thing we use daily, every day, none of them is working in China. So, but he curious as a Uyghur, as a person who got murdered, who will get murdered, and one day soon, or like that type of feeling, if you can imagine, as a Uyghur, we hopeless. We have no hope. Well, like you know, because you were too weak compared to Chinese Communist Party, that evil regime. So he want to know what's going on. He just registered an Instagram account. And then eventually he got called by cops from his hometown. It means he can never able to go back his hometown, and he can never able to use his card, ID card, you know, like your drive license in America or other place. You cannot able to use anymore because you are Uyghur. So that's why he's homeless. Yes, communist CCP is a separatist. He's separate in China. When, let me tell you how they invaded our country, okay? When we already built our East Turkestan, right? We have our own army, we have our passport, we have our coin, like money, currency already, everything. We're about to develop our country, but Chinese communists is like a socialism, right? The socialism is at the beginning they always sound beautiful, too perfect, too good to be true, right? They come to you with the poor, like a very normal looking clothes, but they try to be humble, nice to you, and then when they cross the border with, between the mainland China and Uyghurstan, there's a river on the movie, in the history movie. It said they brush their teeth because they said to their army, liberation army, it said Chinese Uyghurs are Muslims. They don't eat pork. We are Han. We eat pork, but we have to respect their culture, everything. So we should not smell like a pork or something. We should brush our teeth. We should respect them. That's how they came. Of course, Uyghurs are beautiful, heart people, kind people. When we open the door, they start to come do free labor work for us. Like, okay, we as a liberation army, we come to your yard, we plant a tree for you, we make your yard more and clean. They came to do the things, free work for the different people. And Uyghurs think, oh, their country has a war, and this guy comes. And they're nice, they're helping us, we build each other, developing each other. So we welcome them. During the time, in 10 years, they already built the army. They crossed the border and built the army. Since they already killed and murdered all our president, all our leaders. So no one can speak out saying what, why you do that, you should stop. We just become the autonomous region under the Chinese Communist regime. As long as they have built it up, their armies, everything settled down, they start killing whoever has said anything no or wrong or kind of like speaking out for the justice. So you got wiped out. So everyone become more quiet and quiet. I know it's very sad story, and Uyghurs also need to wake up. Of course, we should not allow this happen again. Maybe evil will come to another form to us. Not Chinese communists anymore. Maybe another evil will come to us anytime in the future. But we have to realize one thing. We have to stand up when something injustice happening. We have to stand up. We have to have our own voice. We like to be the democratic life from now on. We don't want to have only one voice in our society. That's why. That's what I am doing, trying to do. Let's see. Hudayashi says separatists and terrorism means minority group who have leader which will again. Humanitarian crisis. That's what's happening. Yes, that's what they did. They basically is a minority and came in. When they came, the first couple years, till when I was a kid, they advertised us like, oh, Uyghurs are most hospitality, nicest people on the planet. They like dancing, they have a great culture. They just post everything about positive things to attract more Chinese to go there. But as an immigration, as a people who invade someone's land, a lot of Chinese still don't go, right? Because of course, if you keep taking our food, keep taking our land, keep taking our fresh air, keep killing our people and animals, of course we will keep standing up eventually. Then they kind of started, slow down, the immigration slowed down. Then what they did? They said after 9/11, 2001, they just said we are the terrorists because we are the Muslim. Hey, we love the blue color, blue. You cannot find any person like this color and their mind is as evil as terrorists. This color, can you feel this color? What could you imagine the terrorists can link with this color? Terrorists, those bloody terrorists. This color, is there anything connection with that? We as a nation, whole Uyghurs, we love the light blue color, like the sky, like the land, like the sea, like the ocean. And they say we are terrorists. International world believes that because mainstream media reported as what it is, what China said. And then our voice for our speak up is almost become impossible. People just got arrested, sending to the camps, organ got harvested, and we lost our school. There's no more such a Uyghur school exist anymore. And Uyghurs learning Uyghurs language as a secondary language. You know, if you go school, if you are English speaking people, you will go school and learn. There's one day or one class a day to learn your second language, right? Maybe French, maybe German, maybe whatever. But Uyghurs forced to learn Uyghurs in the class only once a day, like once a week, as a secondary language, as a foreign language. They try to wipe us out entirely, guys. This should not happen. This should never ever happen in this free world. We all connected each other with a phone and we speaking up, we screaming out. And no one listened. Eventually, the world covered by those negativity, those evil mind, evil rules. What happened now? Everyone dying by virus. Chinese virus. Chinese communist virus. That's very scary, guys. Everything. I don't know what your religion is, but as long as you believe there's a God, you should let him happy, not make him pissed off, right? I'm not care. You're Muslim or you are Christian or you believe Taurat or you're Jewish or you believe you're Buddha. Whatever religion you are, you have to make your God happy, not make your God pissed off, right? But we pissed our God off. That's why the floods, the fire, the virus everywhere. It was not like this before. So, if someone speaking up, if it is true, if he needed justice, please give your hand. Help him. That's how we can avoid those things happen. If you want to take off your mask entirely one day, that's only gonna happen after CCP not exist anymore. CCP P4 lab is the same labs they released this Chinese virus. They have another couple hundred different deadly viruses. They can release it one by one if it's a time. Okay, they released the virus, it's a problem, we're solving it. They release another one as a weapon, another one happened. Yesterday I saw there's another virus cases in China, one university called like a new virus just discovered by Chinese in one campus. There's like almost 300 students got infected. Deadly virus, another deadly virus. I don't know if this news is true or not, but I believe in China, if you post some false news or some news communists don't like, it's almost impossible. It's very dangerous. So that's a news from China in Mandarin language. So definitely from Chinese Communist Party. What do you want to do, huh? You want to kill us, huh? Is that enough? Thank you. Khudaya Aşık. Thank you. If you go East Turkestan, no, that was East Turkestan. If you go, now it's called invaded by China. I believe that one day we're gonna build our country called Uyghuristan. For Uyghur. Freedom for Uyghur, that's why. If you go to that land, people is just so nice, so humble, so kind. If you go there, so hi, they would willing to take you to their home, give you food, give you drink, till you want to go. Because in our religion it said, when someone come, if you don't give, you're not doing your responsibility until they feel satisfied, the guest feels satisfied. So we treat everyone who step in our land as a guest. But this Chinese communist guest is become our head and try to wipe us out. That's sad it is. That's how hard it is. Uyghuria, Uyghur ili, Uyghuristan, no matter what. Uyghur has their own country in the future, inshallah. With the name. Any question? We don't have that much of time. I think I did 2 hours because he didn't show up. I feel so bad. I know a lot of you guys come here is because of you guys wanna met him, ask him a question. I can show you guys a message he sent to us, but he's not online now. He's not on the Discord. I'm worried about him, to be honest. See? He said, I asked, yeah, could you do it? And he said, type or voice? I said, you just need to type, answer the question. He said, you start your fitness, I can support you like before what I did. He said, yeah, I start my fitness, and he came. That's how he did at the beginning. When I was doing fitness, like, earlier I did, and he came like type like this, hey guy, as a Uyghur astronaut. His name was Uyghur astronaut, and he just chatting with us like that. He said he will, but he didn't. I'm sorry guys if you guys disappointed about it, but let's pray for him, his safety, his I really wanna. He has no problem, nothing wrong with him. You know, as long as he's safe, we're gonna have a chance to do it again or whatever next time. Maybe tomorrow when I fitness, he will show up. But so far he's not. I really try to set this up for you guys. With I know a lot of you like really curious. I really admire his fairness, and but he's not. He's not here today. And I wish maybe tomorrow I will keep update. If as long as he's online, I will just keep waiting his message. Yes, I hope he's safe too, guys. Any question before I close the stream, guys? I'm really appreciate all of you here. If you guys like my speech, or if you guys just like me personally, what I'm doing, if you guys want to support me, what I require, first, guys, all my video need a like button, guys. We need to rank the video up, right? In the search system, someone type anything about Uyghurs. If you want our video pumps out for first, just give me a like button, guys. Click one thing. If you cannot do for the justice, or if you wanna for the reason justice voice, just click and share. If you're not subscribed, just subscribe. That's all, guys. That's all. I don't require anything about it, you guys. But that's all I'm asking from you guys. If you like this channel, or if you guys wanna stay here, just let's do it. And let me know if you want me keep going live stream like this. You can come 11. I will set up I will make sure every day this time I'll be here. I'll be here for 2 hours, update his situation, and while I'm doing workout or fitness. Today is just too hot. I only continually did 1 hour, but wish next time I will do more and more harsh and more extreme workout. But today you already see I'm already wet as hell. Right after this I will run to the shower, and then I will start my day today. Okay, guys? And really appreciate you guys. Stay tuned and support my channel, UyghurMan's channel. For call Xinjiang. Oh, I of course willing to call it Uyghuristan, or that's Uyghurs land, right? And yes, it is Turk land. Like Turkey is the Turk land, Kazakhstan is Turk land. You don't need to say that, right? That's so obvious. Like, we are Turk, but we need a country. Uyghurs need a country. Uyghurs need a country with their name, with their own boss. You know what I'm saying? That's basic sense. So Uyghuristan or Uyguriye, Uygurli. That's what I want. That's what I really want. Because we don't have that for years and years. We need that. We need that now. We suffer the most and the worst in the world, and we need that. We deserve that. We never we never put the knee down to Chinese communists till they not exist. So we deserve that. Have our own country on our own land with our own flag, inshallah. So if you guys support, keep giving me like button. If you check our old YouTube channel, old YouTube videos, you can also give like button, share for me, guys. There's a lot of great content. I have almost 70 videos in my channel, and I have a lot of articles on my website, and Patreon. Do you guys know what is Patreon? That is yes, it is normal, super normal. Yes, one day, when we wake up, when we stand up, then might be chance to unite it. If we don't even stand up, have our own countries, there's no possible to unite it. And such a thing called Turkestan. Turkestan is based on a small individual, right? So guys, Patreon, if you want to join my Patreon, the article I released yesterday, there's 2 articles we published, not I wrote, my partner wrote about the Uyghur situation and Miradil Hasan situation. If you guys want to support our channel, just to be a patron, but just join our Patreon so we can keep moving up faster. Then we know this is our community. If you guys want to support us really from your deep out of your heart, please do it. We need your help now. I want to speak up like this 24 hours 7, except that my sleeping time. I'm willing to talk. This is my passion about. This is my life about. But maybe soon I will go back to work, and I might not. But if you guys keep subscribe my channel, so I don't need to go work, right? I don't need to go work. I will just 24 hours speak as much as I can. Maybe I can make like 2 or 3 videos a day because I become more active. I will hire more people to do this work for me. We make a lot of articles until we fill this gap about the Uyghurs have. Between the Uyghurs and the world has a big gap. We have to chase the world up. So we need a lot of content, a lot of video, a lot of articles to express who we are, what we want. Until we fill the gap, then we will standing the same stage with the world other country. So, but we need you, every single individual support on our Patreon, guys. Just maybe $3 per month. That's a subscription fee, but that's help a lot. Imagine if I have a 10,000 1,000, just 1,000 followers who support our justice. So I can work. I can make sure I can release 3 to 5 articles a week, and then couple videos about this justice believer. So one day we will reach that level, inshallah. All right, guys, thanks for your listen. Any question if you have, just leave a message, leave a comment on the comment section, and I will see you guys next time. Stay tuned. Don't forget, click the like button, guys. See you.